Hey everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to show y'all a Glossier haul. I have 2 boxes filled with goodies here from Glossier. They had a 20% off sale, their friends and family sale, a few weeks back, and I placed one order and thought about it, and I wanted some more stuff, so I placed the second one because I'm indecisive and I can't pass up a good sale on some of my favorite makeup and skincare products ever. So I'm excited to show y'all what I have, but before we get started, I just want to remind y'all that I have a 10% off code that y'all can use down below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get credit towards their store. If y'all use it, just want to be open with that, but you can get 10% off your purchase if you click the link down below. So let's get started. First and foremost here, when you get your Glossier box, they're these really nice high quality recycled boxes. They're made of recycled content, which is really, really cool. And inside you get a sticker if you choose to have one included. I love them and they're so cute. You can also pick out a sample. So I got the Priming Moisturizer Rich. I have not tried this one, but I absolutely love really thick, rich, like sour cream type lotions and moisturizers, and that's what this looks like. So I'm really excited to give this a shot because right now I'm loving the Milk vegan moisturizer, so we'll try this. And then same thing, if you choose to have it included, you can receive a free pink reusable pouch. These are this really nice, super cute, high quality pink bubble wrap pouches that come in every order. If you choose to have it included, you can choose like an eco-friendly option, so it neglects the bag and the sticker to just be a little bit more eco-friendly. But I use these bags for absolutely everything, and I definitely think they're worth getting if you're going to use it. Granted, not everybody uses them, but these are so cute. They're super high quality. The zippers are amazing. They're fully waterproof. These are great for things like liquids when you're traveling because, again, it's waterproof and it's sealed tight, which is really nice. There's just that little bit of padding, so I actually use one of these as my camera bag when I don't want my whole big bag. If I just want to take my smaller camera in my purse or something like that, I throw it in here just to give it a little bit of protection. But love these. So in the first bag here, I picked up 3 products. I picked up 1 item that I've had before and I love, and 2 new ones. So first thing I got is the Perfecting Skin Tint. I also got the Glossier Stretch Concealer, as well as the Boy Brow. If y'all remember, the Perfecting Skin Tint is a product that I've had before and I love it. I bought my first one, I want to say maybe 8 months ago now, and I use it almost every day. I cannot get enough. I think they steer away from saying something like tinted moisturizer or foundation, something along those lines, because it is really, really sheer and really lightweight, which I really prefer, honestly. I love how this is just the perfect balance of, it's just enough to help even out your skin tone, but it'll still make you look fresh and natural, and I don't know, let some of your little imperfections go through. So that is what I'm wearing today and I love it. It's quite liquidy, you can hear it shaking around in there. And it actually suggests that you smooth in with your moisturized, shake then smooth over moisturized skin with fingertips. I use a beauty blender for this, and I find that it doesn't really absorb the product as much as I thought it would, as long as it's wet. So I get away with using a beauty blender. I kind of get nervous about using my fingers just because I feel like they're greasy and might be dirty, and even if I've washed them, I just like get nervous it's gonna look kind of like cakey or not mixed in regardless. I picked this up in the color G8 and I'm so excited to give this another go. Moving on to the Stretch Concealer. This is a product that I have never used before, but after I had such success with the skin tint, I wanted to give it a shot. I currently go between using my Tarte concealer and a Clinique one, and I'm not sure how it works with my skin tone right now with me being tan. So the Stretch Concealer comes in this super cute little glass packaging with this reflective mirrored cap right there with just their logo on the top. I picked this up in the shade G9 just because I wanted to go a little bit lighter than my skin tint color. You can see there isn't a whole lot of product in there. It comes with 0.17 ounces and the skin tint comes with 1 whole fluid ounce. This is very much a cream concealer, which is something that I'm not very used to, so this will take a little bit of playing around with, but I'm super excited to try this out. And then last but not least, in the first package, I picked up Boy Brow, which is one of their most popular products. It is just a little brow tint kind of thing, I guess you could say. They call it a grooming pomade. Apply in short upward and outward strokes to fluff brows into the desired shape. This is so much smaller than I thought it would be. The packaging is really cute. I like how it's actually kind of small and slim. I'm just hoping I like it because this is a bit pricier of an item as opposed to the skin tint might be. So I'm hoping it's a good, so I'm hoping it's actually worth it. I've never actually ever filled in my eyebrows to any degree. So I picked up the color blonde. I'm not quite sure. I feel like I have kind of dirty blonde. Some people say I have strawberry blonde hair. Wasn't quite sure what to go with. But this is super cute. Has this really little spoolie on the front of it there. And I'm just excited to see how I like this. I hope it kind of matches the color of my eyebrows. And I feel like I have relatively bushy eyebrows already, but there is a little bit of inconsistency that I'm kind of hoping I can play around with and that this will help fix. So I'm excited to see how I like that as well. Moving along to our second package here, I got the same little sticker in it, as well as I chose the Future Dew serum as my sample. This is an oil serum hybrid that is supposed to help kind of make your skin look a little bit more dewy and glowy, and has a lot of nourishing oils that can help brighten your skin. I'm excited to try this. Again, something I've never tried before, just a cute little sample, just to see how I like it. In here, I picked up 2 of the Lidstars, 1 Invisible Shield, as well as 1 Balm.com. Same thing, a lot of new products in here that I've never tried. Picked up the Birthday Balm.com. I've had this before. I actually have it on right now. I love this stuff. I kind of go between this, Mango, and Rose as being my top 3 favorites. So I just wanted to grab another one of these because you can never have enough. These are amazing. They're super cute little lip balms that have so many fun flavors, such fun packaging, and all provide some sort of tint or sparkle or something like that depending on your flavor. So these are just a great little thing to have around and to throw in my bag. I picked up the Glossier Invisible Shield, which is their sunscreen. This is a daily sunscreen with an SPF of 35. I've heard kind of mixed things about this, mostly with regards to the packaging, but I think the packaging is absolutely adorable. It's a really cute little white and yellow bottle with a lid that pops off and a pump underneath. They call this the Invisible Shield, so I'm hoping it's pretty lightweight, easy to put makeup on top of, that sort of thing. The instructions say apply over your entire face after the priming moisturizer before the perfecting skin tint. I currently use the Coola SPF 50 face sunscreen every single day, and I love it. That is also a relatively more expensive sunscreen, but I absolutely think it's worth it just because it's so lightweight. I have pretty sensitive skin when it comes to acne and things like that. I was on acne medication for years and my skin loves it and just reacts so well to it. So I'm excited to try this one out just because I like the packaging a little bit more, and I also just wanted to see how they would compare. I thought SPF 35 was also a good number. I've used the Neutrogena sunscreens in the past and things like that that are like SPF 15, but I prefer something with a little bit of a higher SPF. So excited to try this out as well. And last but not least, I picked up 2 of the Lidstars. Now, oddly enough, they came in 2 different packages. If y'all can see, they're different sizes. I'm the kind of person that will maybe apply eyeshadow once a week if I'm lucky, and when I do, I typically just do one shade across my whole lid. I'm not very fancy, I don't really know what I'm doing, and I love the kind of more sparkly pink colors. So I was really excited when they had these two super cute Lidstar colors that I was excited to try out. Again, just a really nice, easy way to apply a little bit of extra color to your lids. I picked up these two Lidstars in Cub and in Slip. So this one is just this super cute pink color here, and then Cub is a bit more of a bronzy, darker color. The packaging is absolutely adorable and almost reminds me of like a chemistry, one of those little glass tubes. I'm an aerospace major and I know nothing about chemistry, so I don't know what those are called, but you probably know what I'm talking about. The little glass tubes that you do experiments in. Kind of reminds me of one of those with this super cute little twist off lid. So you can just twist this off, and then we have this nice little applicator on the end to just make the process super easy, convenient, and only one step. I really loved the packaging of these, and I'm excited to see how it holds up, just because I really like having kind of long, skinny packaging that I can throw in my kind of pencil bag shaped makeup case that I take pretty much everywhere. Sometimes I get away with not taking an entire like toiletry bag if I'm going home for the weekend or something, and will just take my little small makeup bag. And so I really like the packaging of these as opposed to a more circular little dished eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, what are those called? Like an eyeshadow single. So I will have a whole Glossier full face of makeup coming soon, just because I do want y'all to, just because I do want to share my impressions with y'all on how I like the concealer, the boy brow, the Lidstars, and how I like the sunscreen under the makeup. As of right now, I really like the Perfecting Skin Tint on top of my Coola sunscreen, but again, I'm excited to see how it handles the actual Glossier sunscreen. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. Just a reminder that y'all can get 10% off your Glossier order if you use my code down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your love and support. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out. Bye.